Welcome to Mega Rubber Technologies Hosur division, where innovation meets precision at scale. Having been established in 1978 by Sujan Brothers in Mumbai as a modest rubber molding outlet with limited resources, Sujan has today established itself as one of the most dependable solution providers for its clients that are leaders in the automotive OEM and Tier 1, rail wagon builder, aerospace and defense markets, renewable and mining industry markets, etc. With 15 manufacturing locations, 4 joint ventures with global leaders, 2 technology licenses, and the oldest one being with Miner Inc., which is now successfully completing 20 years in 2024, we take pride in catering products and assemblies built with the most efficient techniques and processes. Today, we take you on a journey through our state-of-the-art facility in Hosur. Strategically located in Hosur is a 100,000 square feet facility in the middle of the EV manufacturing hub in Tamil Nadu, with multiple EV startups like Ather, Ola, Simple Around and established OEMs like Ashok Leyland, TVS, Toyota, Honda, Mahindra, etc. in the vicinity. It's our pleasure to showcase and walk through the facility. Spanning across 3.5 acres, our plant is a testament to our commitment to quality and efficiency, constantly striving towards manufacturing excellence. We cater to a very large variety of products where we help in critical applications like fluid or air transfer, fire retardancy, anti-vibration, electrical insulation, sealing, etc. and cater to a diverse range of applications with more than 500 plus part numbers made in the plant every month. Material is issued against the daily production plan in standardized quantities for accuracy, accountability and quality. The seamless flow of materials is controlled by barcode technology to be able to trace every final product back to each RM lot used. The heart of our manufacturing lies in the mixing process, where each ingredient is carefully weighed and blended for perfection. We carry 4 decades of experience in developing intriguing material solutions that cater to the most challenging specifications and the harshest environments. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. In our lab, 100% of the batches produced are tested for critical processability and performance parameters. Every product undergoes rigorous training, ensuring excellence in performance. When it comes to rubber to metal bonded applications, precision in processing is critical. It extends to our coating section, enhancing the durability of our products. Witness the craftsmanship that goes into the production of diaphragms, an integral part of our diverse product range. These diaphragms are directly correlative to the level of braking pressure the driver can exert while braking. Failure in the diaphragm will mean a brake failure, and we stand with a zero failure record, maintaining a major market share in India for the application. In the realm of automotive safety, our brake hose manufacturing line delivers low-cost and high-performing brake hoses used by multiple OEMs and Tier 1s. We are also producing fluid system products for EV battery cooling, AC, turbocharger, vacuum, Degas tanks, radiator hoses, fuel transfer, etc. From individual components to the final assembly, we ensure each step is a testament to our commitment to excellence. With such a large, diverse range of hose assembly solutions, there is no application we don't have a solution for. Precision and perfection merge in the manufacturing of diaphragms. We use unique process technologies in our injection molding lines to enhance productivity, reduce yield losses, and achieve critical geometries and part designs. Ultra-large molding solutions are available for products as large as 1.5 by 2 meters, where we currently cater to rubberized mat and products for the abrasion resistance products for the mining and logistics markets. We take complete end-to-end responsibility for product quality with regular testing on the final product or assembly. Our systems are certified for IATF 16949 and ISO/BS 118001 and are working towards certification for ISO 50001 energy management. We also have multiple existing OEM quality approvals like Toyota, Hyundai, Maruti, Tata, Daimler, Mahindra, Ola, Aether, etc. Systems like Kanban, FIFO, barcoding, etc. are profound to meet accuracy expectations if you deliver products to OEMs 2 to 3 times a day. Our commitment to accuracy and efficiency is core to ensuring seamless delivery with the trust of our valued customers. At Sujin, we are not just a team, we are a family. Our success is built on a clear vision, a common goal, collective and sustained effort, and a high focus on solving problems. At our core, we believe in various initiatives like increasing female participation at the workplace, career planning for our executives, and customized software for internal process standardization with a focus on hiring differently abled individuals. As we conclude our journey, we would like to thank you for the time to see every detail, every process, and every product where we strive to reflect our unwavering commitment to excellence. From everyone at Sujin, we thank you for your time and for considering us for your needs.